In the topic of angles, children may have some misconceptions and misunderstanding. Let us look at some of them. Firstly, when you have to measure an angle, they have to use the anti-clockwise, but they may measure it from this side. This has to be measured in this side, but they may measure like this. Similarly, when they use the book and note the angle, they may make a mistake this way. This particular angle, now this constant line, the resting line, it need not be always horizontal. It need not be always horizontal. It can be vertical as well. Let us see how to measure this particular angle. These are two lines and this is the meeting point, and we need to find out this particular angle, right? So how do we find out this angle? Though the line is not horizontal, when I have to measure the angle, I have to keep the protractor in this way. This is the constant line, this is the moving line, this is the meeting point, and this is the angle. So this angle has to be measured. How do I hold the protractor? That is important. This is 50 degrees. So here we have this particular point, and that mark has to be in the meeting point of the two lines. It starts from 0 here. Let us see. This is 70. This is a perfect 70 degree. We can write 70 degrees here. This is how we find the angle, or how to use this protractor or TLM. Similarly, if I give names to these points, let us say A, B, and C. A, B is a line, B and C is another line. The angle is formed at the point B. Angle B is denoted this way, but this is not necessary at grade 4 or 5, but in later classes this will be necessary. What is the name of this angle? We write it this way: A, B, C with an angle sign. Angle A, B, C. This is how we write it. B is the point where the angle is formed between AB and BC. So this is how we measure the angle and teach the concept of angles to the children. We have seen this using the available TLM. We have seen that. If the concept of angles is understood very well by the children, it may increase their interest in geometry. We hope this method has been effective and you will find it useful. Thank you.